Well, I'm back again. Couldn't keep me away. It's about midnight, a little bit after midnight, and I'm just uh finally finally getting ready to go to sleep. I've just been sitting in bed this whole time watching YouTube videos, but the real story here is the rain and the wind. If it isn't one, it's the other, and sometimes both. Seems like it did seem like everything settled down for briefly, and then it was stopped raining and it was just the wind. Now it's mostly the rain. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. It's just the rain is just pounding down right now, as you can hear. And it's very, very disconcerting. It's like the intensity of it. It's so unnerving. And that just the fact that it just keeps on going. And then I was just like reading about, I was like, yeah, I need to kind of read up on some of this flooding in the air, in the state. Because I know we had a couple of days where it had stopped raining, but things were really bad at that point. And now it's been raining again for 2 days. And like, are things getting worse anywhere? And then I saw that Tukwila actually had some evacuation orders yesterday on Monday along the Green River, and that's not too far from where I work. And apparently the levee, there was a levee that breached on the Green River in Tukwila, and but so far everything I've seen indicates that evacuation order was lifted. So, but I mean, if they just fixed the levee yesterday and it's been raining ever since, like, is that levee gonna breach again? I don't know exactly where that is. It seemed like a pretty small area, but that's getting a little too close for comfort. So I'm going to be following that story. The plan is to go into work in the morning, and so I'll be checking that first thing in the morning and seeing if there's any developments on that one. But this is just so freaky, man. It's just like, I can't say I've ever experienced anything like this. I mean, I've been through atmospheric rivers. We get them often enough, and I lived through this also in last fall and winter in van life. But this is just on a whole other level. So getting through it, trying to get some sleep here. Just wanted to give some more of my my reporting on this event. So blessings be. Catch you on the next one.